Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, my dear students of grade 5? I hope you all will be fine. Here is your teacher, Mrs. Naula, for the subject of English reading or writing. My dear boys, today we are going to do only comprehension activity about lesson 4 of unit 5. The title of this lesson is Changing Views of Earth. Last time we studied the main text of this lesson from your English reading book, and today we will do question answers or comprehension activity in the workshop book on pages 95 and 96. So our objective is very clear, so you are going to do only comprehension task today. The first question which you have on page 95, what is geocentric model? The question is, what is geocentric model? And the answer is, according to geocentric model, the earth stayed in place while the sun moved around it. My dear boys, whenever you are going to write the answer, it should be clear in tenses, in spellings and punctuations. Okay, I will repeat the question and answer. What is geocentric model? And the answer is, according to geocentric model, the earth stayed in place while the sun moved around it. On page 95 you have question number 2. What are supercomputers used for? What are supercomputers used for? And here comes the answer. The supercomputers are used to collect data and measure the Earth's diameter. The supercomputers are used to collect data and measure the Earth's diameter. On page 96 you have question number 3. How did the new technology help the scientist? How did the new technology help the scientist? Now I'm going to tell you the answer. The new technology helped the scientists develop models of Earth and form theories about climate. I will repeat. The new technology helped the scientists develop models of Earth and form theories about climate. So far we have done question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3, as well as a relevant answer about lesson number 4 of unit 5. I hope you will have written all the answers clearly. What can you do as your homework? You will do the practice about 3 questions and their answers. This is your homework. Thank you very much for attending the online class. See you next time with a new lesson. Till then, bye bye. Stay home, stay safe.